Friends, welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about some questions on pair of linear equations. These questions are practical in nature and it will be helpful in understanding the concept in detail. The first question states that the sum of two numbers is 120. If one number is 3 times that of other, find the numbers. Let the two numbers are x and y. So as per the given question, x plus y is 120. This is the first equation, and x equals to 3y. This is the second equation. Now, putting the value of x in equation 1, we get 3y plus y equals to 120. That means 4y equals to 120, or 1y equals to 120 by 4, which is equals to 30. Now, already it is given x equals to 3y. So x is 3 into 30, which is equals to 90. So the required numbers are 90 and 30 is the answer. The next question is, father's age is 3 times sum of ages of his two children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of the ages of his two children. Find the age of the father. So here in this question, neither the age of the children nor the age of the father is given. Only the relation between the sum of the age of the children and that of father is given. Let's go for solving it. Let the age of the father is x years and the sum of the ages of the children is y years. So according to the question, x equals to 3y. Let this is first equation, because already it is given the father age is 3 times sum of the ages of his two children. So x equals to 3y. Now after 5 years, the age of the father will be x plus 5 years and the ages of the children will be y plus 10 years. Why it is y plus 10 years? Because the father has two children. So after 5 years, 5 years each will be added to the ages of the children. So the sum of the ages of the children is y years. So after 5 years, y plus 5 plus 5. Therefore it is y plus 10 years. So x plus 5 equals to 2 into y plus 10. Or on simplifying, we get x plus 5 equals to 2y plus 20, or x minus 2y equals to 15. Let this is equation 2. Now, from equation 1 we get x minus 3y equals to 0, and from equation 2 we get x minus 2y equals to 15. Now doing change of sign, we get y equals to 15. But what is y? Y is nothing but sum of the ages of the two children. The age of the father is x, which is equals to 3y. That means which is nothing but 15 into 3, which is 45 years. Hence, the age of the father is 45 years is the answer. The next question is, there are some students in two examination halls A and B. To make the students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from hall A to hall B, but if 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A will be twice the number of students in B. Find the number of students in each hall. Let's see the answer. Let the number of students in hall A and hall B are x and y respectively. According to the question, x minus 10 equals to y plus 10. That means we can write it as x minus 2y equals to x minus y equals to 20. Let this is first equation. Again, x plus 20 equals to 2 whole into y plus minus 20, or we can write x minus 2y equals to minus 60. Why this is? Because as per the second statement, if 20 students are sent from B to A, that means the strength of the student in B is y, so it is y minus 20, and as 20 students has come from B to A, 20 has been added over here x plus 20. Now it states that if 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A would be twice the number of students in B. So x plus 20 is the number of students in A and y minus 20 is the number of students in B. As the question states that the number of students in A will be 2 times that of B, so x plus 20 is 2 whole into y minus 20. Or this shows x minus 2y equals to minus 16. Let this second equation. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get y equals to 80. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we get x minus 80 equals to 20 or x equals to 100. Thus, the number of students in hall A and B are 100 and 80 respectively. Is the answer. Find the value of x and y. 7 to the power x plus 5 to the power y equals to 74 and 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 5 to the power y plus 1 equals to 218. So given that 7 to the power x plus 5 to the power y equals to 74 and 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 5 to the power y plus 1 equals to 218. Let 7 to the power x equals to p and 5 to the power y equals to q. So we can write it as p plus q equals to 74. Let this is first equation, and 7p minus 5q equals to 218. Why 7p minus 5q? Because 7 to the power x plus 1 means 7x into 7. 7x is p, so it is 7x into 7 means 7p. Likewise, 5y plus 1 means 5y into 5. So 5y into 5, 5y is denoted as q and 5 is as it is. So it is 7p minus 5q equals to 218. Now 5 into equation 1 equals to 5p plus 5q equals to 370. Let this is third equation. Now adding equation 2 and equation 3, we get 12p equals to 588 or p equals to 588 by 12, which is nothing but 49. That means p is 7 to the power x and 49 can be written as 7 square. So 7x equals to 7 square or x equals to 2. Now, putting the value of p in equation 1, we get 49 plus q equals to 74 or q equals to 74 minus 49, which is nothing but 25. But q is 5 to the power y and 25 can be written as 5 square. Or this implies y equals to 2. Thus the value of x and y are 2 and 2 respectively. Is the answer. If the angles of a triangle are x, y and 40 degree and the difference between the angles x and y is 30 degree, find the value of x and y. Given that the angles of a triangle are x, y and 40 degree and x minus y equals to 30 degree. Now we know the sum total of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That means we can write it as x plus y plus 40 degree equals to 180 degree or x plus y equals to 180 minus 40, which is 140 degree. And this is first equation. And already it is given x minus y equals to 30 degree. Then this is second equation. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2x equals to 170 or x equals to 170 degree by 2, which is 85 degree. Since x minus y equals to 30 degree, we can write 85 degree minus y equals to 30 degree or y equals to 85 degree minus 35 degree, which is 55 degree. This is the value of x and y are 85 degree and 55 degree respectively. The sum of the two digits number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 99. If the digits of the number differ by 3, find the number. So here the digit is not given, only the relation between the number and the number obtained by reversing the digits that we got, and the difference between the digits of that number is given. Let's go for solving it. Let the digit present in tens place of the number is x and the digit present in unit place of the number is y. So the number is of the form 10x plus y. The number obtained by reversing the digit is 10y plus x. Now, according to the question, it is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equals to 99, or it is nothing but 11 whole into x plus y equals to 99, or x plus y equals to 99 by 11, which is nothing but 9. Then this is first equation. Also, it is given by that x minus y equals to 3. Right? This is second equation. Now, writing equation 1 and 2, we get 2x equals to 12, or x equals to 12 by 2, which is nothing but 6. Now, putting the value of y, we get y equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Sorry, putting the value of x, we get y equals to 6 minus 3, which is nothing but 3. Now, the number is 10x plus y. It is 10 into 6 plus 3, which is nothing but 63. Hence, the given number is 63. Is the answer. If 4 times area of smaller square is subtracted from the area of larger square, the result is 144 meters square, and the sum of the area of two squares is 464 meters square. Find the sides of two squares. Let the side of smaller square is a meter and that of large square is b meter. So the area of the smaller square is a square and that of bigger square is b square. As per the question, b square minus 4a square equals to 144 and a square plus b square equals to 464. Let x equal to a square and y equals to b square. So the above two equation can be written as y minus 4x equals to 144. Let this is first equation, and y plus x equals to 464. Let this is second equation. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get 5x equals to 320, or x equals to 320 by 5, which is equals to 64. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get 64 plus y equals to 464, or y equals to 464 minus 64, which is nothing but 400. So we have x equals to 64 and y equals to 400. That means a square equals to 64 and b square equals to 400. Taking the square root, we get a equals to 8 meter and b equals to 20 meter. Hence, the side of the smaller square is 8 meter and that of the larger square is 20 meter. Is the answer. The distance between 2 points A and B is 100 km. Two cars start from point A and B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel in opposite direction, they meet each other in 1 hour. Find the speed of two cars. If the speed of the car 1 is x km per hour and that of car 2 is y km per hour, let car 1 start from the point A and car 2 start from the point B, and they meet each other at point C. Now in first case, the cars travel in the same direction and they meet each other after 5 hours. So let's draw the picture. So here, as it is here, the point A and B are the two starting point of the two car, and C is the point where they meet each other. AC, the first car starts from A and it meets the second car at the point B, at the point C. So AC is the distance traveled by the first car in 5 hours. This is 5x kilometer. And BC is the distance traveled by the second car, because B is the starting point of the second car. So BC is the distance traveled by the second car in 5 hours, and BC goes to 5y kilometer. So we know that AC minus BC equals to AB. AC minus BC equals to AB, or 5x minus 5y equals to 100, or we can write x minus y equals to 20. Here this is first equation. Now second case, the cars travel in the opposite direction and they meet each other in 1 hour. So if you draw the picture, A is the starting point of the car 1 and B is the starting point of the car 2. So they are moving in opposite direction towards each other, and they meet each other at the point C, where AC is the distance traveled by the car 1 in 1 hour, which is x kilometer, and BC is the distance traveled by car 2 in 1 hour, which is y kilometer. Now we know that AC plus BC equals to AB, or you can write x plus y equals to 100, which is nothing but let this to be equation 2. Now writing equation 1 and 2, we get x equals to 120 or x equals to 60 km per hour. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get 60 plus y equals to 100 or y equals to 40 km per hour. Thus, the speed of the two cars are 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively. Is the answer. A railway half ticket costs half the full fare, but the reservation charges are same on a half ticket as on a full ticket. One reserved first class ticket from station A to station B cost rupees 2530. Also, one reserved first class ticket and one reserved half class ticket from station A to station B cost rupees 3810. And the full first class fare from station A to station B and also reservation charge for a ticket. Let the cost of full first class is rupees X, so the cost of half class ticket is rupees X by 2. Also let the reservation charge is rupees Y per ticket. Now case 1, the cost of one reserved first class ticket from station A to station B is rupees 2530. That means X plus Y equals to 2530. This is first equation. Case 2, cost of one reserved first class ticket and first class half ticket from station A to station B is rupees 3810. So it is X plus Y plus X by 2 plus Y equals to 3810, or we can write it as 3x by 2 plus 2y equals to 3810. Let this is equation 2. Now 2 into equation 1 is 2x plus 2y equals to 5060, and equation 2 implies 3x plus 2y equals to 3810. Now by doing change of sign and adding, we get x by 2 equals to 1250, or x equals to 1250 into 2, which is nothing but 2500. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we get 2500 plus y equals to 2530, 2530, or y equals to 30. Hence, the full class reservation fare is rupees 2500 and the reservation charge is rupees 30. The answer. A bird flying in the same direction as that of wind covers a distance of 45 km in 2 hours 30 minutes. But it takes 4 hours and 30 minutes to cover the same distance when it flies against the direction of the wind. Find the speed of the bird and that of the wind. Let the speed of the bird in still air is x km per hour and speed of the wind is y km per hour. Now when the bird fly in the same direction, in the direction of the wind, the speed of the bird is x plus y km per hour, and when the bird fly against the direction of the wind, its speed is x minus y km per hour. So as per the question, 45 by x plus y equals to 2 and 1 by 2 hour, because 2 hours 30 minutes, or on simplifying we get x plus y equals to 18. Yet this is first equation. Also, when the bird flies against the direction of the wind, it covers the same distance in 4 hours 30 minutes. So you can write it as 45 by x minus y equals to 4 and 1 by 2, or on simplifying x minus y equals to 10. That this is second equation. Now we take equation 1 and 2, we get 2x equals to 28, or x equals to 28 by 2, which is 14 km per hour. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we get 14 plus y equals to 18, or y equals to 18 minus 14 equals to 4 km per hour. Hence, the speed of the bird is 14 km per hour and that of wind is 4 km per hour. Is the answer. Friends, here we saw a few questions. The more and more such questions you practice, the easier it becomes and the more you like it. So friends, practice more and more such questions, and in case you come across any difficult question, feel free to share your questions with me. It will be a pleasure for me if I can help you out in solving your doubts, in solving your questions. So this was for today's class. Thank you.